Namaste. It has been said that many rishis and siddhas have met God in Kali Yuga. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa has met Kali Ma, and many Nayanmas have met Lord Shiva. Can I meet God? Is it possible?
Nowadays, all of us are familiar with this device. It is called the cell phone. Are the cell phone waves visible to us? They are invisible. Yet, we are able to use the cell phone waves and the technology, and we are able to communicate with each other using this device. In the same way, God is invisible, unmanifest, but this human equipment is a very special equipment. Using this, we can communicate with the Lord and we can have darshan also of Bhagavan. Now, I have two phones, but the difference is I can communicate with people using this phone, but as of now, I cannot communicate with people using this phone. Why? Because this phone has a SIM card which is activated, and this phone has a SIM card, but it is not yet activated. It will take some time, and the moment it gets activated, it can also function appropriately. Same way, we have a human body, and each of us also has a very powerful mind, just like the SIM card in the phone. Why is it that Ramakrishna Paramahamsa has the darshan of Mother Kali, and we right now are not able to have darshan of Bhagavan? Because the SIM card is activated, his mind is activated. He has purified his mind, made it single pointed, surrendered the ego, and lifted it to such great heights that the difference between I, the individual, world, which is the creation, and creator is dissolved. That process is called sadhana. So through sadhana, he has tuned his mind, and with such a tuned mind, he is able to have darshan of Mother Kali. Same way, we can also tune up our mind. We can also do sadhanas. We can learn to serve people around us, become selfless, do japa daily, or do practices which help to bring the mind into single pointedness and invoke devotion in our heart. And with faith, when we do these practices, that Bhagwan is real, then we will also have darshan of Bhagwan. Just like another example is the infrared light is not visible to us, but if we wear specific type of spectacles, those rays can be visible to us. The laser beams sometimes are visible through specific type of spectacles. In the same way, God appears to be very subtle, but when we tune up our mind, we activate the SIM in our equipment. Do you know what is the meaning of SIM? SIM in this context means the senses, the intellect, and the mind. If we control our senses, if we purify our mind, make it more selfless, and if we study properly and understand who is God, what is our relationship with Him, how do I connect with the Lord, and I follow those instructions of the scriptures, I will also have darshan of Bhagwan.